Right now I'm in the worksheet sumaverage in the workbook formulas and function. So now let's just look at a couple of things here. Now we've been learning a few things, and let's just see more. Now looking at the range of data here, let's say we want to make a summation of this data. Right now I believe you should know what to do. Now you think, okay, let's go equals sum using the sum function, right? Then press the tab key to open up the parentheses. Then you now select all of this, right? Yeah, that's good. Enter and you have the summation there. That's pretty good and pretty nice to do. All right, so but another way we can actually do this is by using the auto sum function to automatically calculate the summation of these values here. And you can find the auto sum functions in the home tab. Yes, at the editing group section, you can see auto sum there. So by the time I put my cursor here and I come to auto sum, I click on it once. Observe what happens. It selects the range of data to the left, and I press enter, and boom, here I have my result. So I'll just do Ctrl Z. So I can also find the auto sum in the formula tab. Yeah, just here in the formulas, you can see there auto sum. So I can click on it, the same thing happens, and I press enter. You can see that. Or I can basically, just to make it faster, I can just come here, just double click. You can see it automatically calculates that rather than pressing it once and then pressing enter. Just double click on the auto sum, and it calculates the summation for you. That's that. So we can also use the auto sum with data that are arranged vertically, like this, which was arranged horizontally. You can look at it by coming down here, and we use the auto sum function. It automatically picks it to the top, picks the data at the top, and at the time we say boom, it gives us the summation. Yeah, another approach to this could be to select the range of data, right, and press the auto sum. However, before we go ahead, keep pressing the auto sum, there's a shortcut to the auto sum, which is the alt equal. So if I put my cursor here, for example, and I press alt, hold down my alt key, then I press equal to, you see that it's performing the same thing for auto sum. You press enter. Okay, that's good. I'll do Ctrl Z to undo. So I can also just do a selection here, select the range of data I want to sum, then use my shortcut key alt equal. You can see that automatically it gives us our result in the next row down. See that automatically we have that for us. You can also approach it this way, select everything up to the result cell where you want your result to be, and simply press alt equal, and see your result is given. So it makes it work pretty fast. Now let's now go back. Look at this data here. Let's say we want to also use auto sum here. So by the time we press alt equal, let's observe what happens. Or better still, let me just use the auto sum so we can see what is happening. You can see now Excel automatically has selected for you the one to the top, whereas you might be wanting to basically just select the data to the left, to the left. Maybe this is just what you want to sum and not this. So all you just need to do, since it's already highlighted, basically just select that range of data you want to sum instead and press enter. So that basically tells us that if we have data to the left and to the top, horizontally and vertically, the auto sum function will favor data that are what vertically, I guess. Yeah, favors data that are vertically. So that's basically how we do that. Now looking at this data here, let's say you also want to have a summation of data here. It's simple, select them and basically do alt equal, and boom, you have your result. So you also want to have the summation here, select that row and do alt equal, and you are fine, you're good to go. Now just do Ctrl Z again. Let's say, since you already know you want to have a summation here and also here, so to make your work pretty fast, all you could just do is select your entire range of data up to the result cell where you want your results to be, and basically just do alt equal. You can see that now. So it automatically selects everything for you and do the calculation automatically and makes it pretty fast, right? Yeah. So I'll do Ctrl Z again. So let's say what you're trying to do now is not summation, but rather you want to calculate the average in this instance. So like I said, you want to have your average here and the average here. So you basically just select everything, then go to your auto sum function. Now you find a drop down arrow here which gives us some pretty much other functions that we can use automatically on the auto sum. So basically just select average, and this will calculate the average for you both on the rows and on the vertical and on the horizontal. So I basically just click on average here, and good, automatically my average has been calculated. So auto sum function pretty makes your work faster, and then if you learn to use the keystroke shortcut, which is alt equal, it also makes things pretty cool and fast for you as you work in Excel.